In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock a user on Behance. If you've accidentally blocked someone on Behance, or if you're hoping to reconnect with a particular user, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the quick and easy process of unblocking someone on the desktop or web version of Behance. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Behance account, if you're not logged in already. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your avatar or profile picture. Click on it. This will open a small drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, look for the Settings option, then click on it. This will take you to your account settings page. Now, within this settings page, there are multiple sections, but the focus today is on finding the section that deals with members you've blocked. So scroll down the settings page past the various options, like account information and email preferences. Keep an eye out for the section labeled Excluded Members or Blocked Users. Once you've found this section, it should display a list of users that you've previously blocked. Now, take a moment here if you need to, because it's important to locate the correct user you want to unblock. Carefully go through the list until you find the person you wish to reconnect with. When you do, you'll notice an X button next to their name. Click on this X, and this action will immediately remove them from your block list. And there you have it. The user is now unblocked, which means they can once again interact with you on Behance. They can follow you, comment on your projects, and see any updates that you share publicly. It's a straightforward process, but it's always a good idea to double-check whom you're unblocking, just to ensure you're making the right connections. A quick reminder that managing your block list is part of maintaining the social aspect of Behance, which helps you curate your networking experience effectively. Also, don't hesitate to revisit your settings every so often, just to ensure everything is tailored to your liking, or if you need to make more adjustments in the future. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that you're now able to unblock users on Behance with confidence and ease. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further clarifications, feel free to leave a comment down below. Have a great day and happy creating!